This is a GoPro doing my tests for you again. This is a aftermarket cable. I have 2 ports. Plug them in. Hit the record button. I'm recording. You can read and tell me what those ports are over there. Pause it, enlarge it. You're good to go. Now, if I take the same exact scenario, remove the cable out of the picture, use this cable, plug it in, wait for acknowledgement, and hit the record, I get not enough power. What's happening is, we don't know if this is the right cable to use with your camera and your power bank. You have the option to use a AC adapter, a power bank that accepts a AC adapter. You have the option to use a PD20 cable. There's a lot of options you have on the table. The door is closed. This is a assumed door. Made of metal. I like that metal clip there. Much better than Ulanzi. No battery. If I take the media module, you're always going to have to open and close and take care of this. To get this cable, here's a PD20. I'm already plugged in. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hit the record button. I'm recording. I'm going to stop it. Let it finish. Shut down. Take the same cable. Plug it into the same ports. To the back of the media module. I got acknowledgement of the SDXC card. I got battery required. I'm going to let it shut down. Hit the shutter button again. And I'm recording. Now, I hope you kind of see what's happening here. Not a perfect camera. GoPro should basically just get rid of that high amperage using the higher power and just simply allow us to put the battery in the camera. Go into the settings and say use external battery source. I hope the video is like somewhat helpful for you. Do your own testing. Find out that this cable don't work. This cable work. Find out that your media model works. Have a great day. See you later.